It's Trevor, and today we will be playing with Biology in a Box, Unit 6, Exercise 6B, comparing phylogenetic trees. First phylogenetic tree are relationships among major animal phyla based on morphology, otherwise known as the study of the forms of organisms and their development. The branching patterns for the second phylogenetic tree are relationships among the major animal phyla based on 18S ribosomal DNA and the presence of a cuticle, otherwise known as a protective or hard layer covering the epidermis of a plant, invertebrate, or shell. Examine the trees in Figure 2 to see how they are different. Find examples of the animals that belong to the phyla that are represented in Figure 2. Answer these questions. Which animal groups are displaced in the tree depicted in Figure 2b from where they are located on the tree based on development? 2. How might the validity of the two alternative trees be tested? Check your answers. This is Trevor from Biology in a Box saying, bye everybody, see you next time.